Hey everybody, it's Rami, your Tangled Yogi. How are you? Hope you're doing well. We had a lot of fun yesterday making these really great Zentangle three-dimensional stars. And so I wanted to show you how to fold these three-dimensional stars. So I'm going to take this little guy away and I'm going to bring out my triangle here. My triangle here is 3.5 by 3.5 by 3.5. Now you could make them bigger, you could make them smaller. Mine are made out of the Strathmore drawing paper. You could use any kind of paper you want, but I found that the Strathmore had the least amount of creases. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, it's a little slippery there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm on my, my left side here, and I'm going to fold my left corner into the upper corner there, and then I'm going to get a nice smooth crease here with my finger, and then I'm going to unfold, and then I'm going to go over to the opposite side, to the right side, and I'll take it up to the top, and I'll make a nice smooth fold, and then I'll bring it back and down. Now watch, I need to bring this corner over to this corner, so I'm going to turn my my triangle downward, and I'm going to just take that corner over, and hopefully I get a nice smooth line up here. And then when I open it up, you can see that I get that Y crease here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start to get that point to go forward here, and then I'll go around and bring my edges together so that now I've got a nice triangle to work with, right? So there we got the creases. So now what I'm going to do, because we have to have a place for the upper star to go into, I'm going to cut my creases here. So I'm going to go up about, I'm going to say about 1/2 inch. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm cutting on the diagonal. Can everybody see that? I am cutting on a diagonal angle, and I'm just going to cut about 1 inch, maybe a little less. So there you can see that when I move it away, there's my cut. So then I'm going to go to the next leg and I'm going to do the exact same thing. So I'm looking for about 1/2 inch away from the center. And then what I'm going to do is I cut on the diagonal, and then I look for my flap. You want to have a good flap because you want the upper star to fit into the lower star. So you're looking for any one that you haven't done yet. Here's my last leg that I haven't done. And I'm going to give it a little snip. About halfway up. You want to make sure that you do this as pretty even as possible here. And you want to make sure that you're cutting on the diagonal. See how my shear is on the diagonal? So I'm going to give it a snip. There it is. That's a little bit deeper than I wanted it to be, but I think it'll be okay. So now I'm going to take that, I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to just grab one of my other stars that I've already started to fold, and I'll fold again. So you can watch me again if you want to here. So here I am. I have my left piece, and I'm going to fold it up towards the top. Then I'm going to go over and do my right piece, fold it up towards the top. And then I'm going to take my left to my right. So I'm just going over. Let's see here, how did I do that? Just going over and getting my nice crease. And I should end up with my Y, which I have. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to make my little folds to get my triangle just so. Once you have that, you now have that really nice shape, right? So I'm going to go with my first guy, and I'm looking for my flaps, right? I'm looking for those flaps. And what I'll do is I'll start to slide those creases into the flaps. So see how that works? We're just sliding those creases into the flaps. This one didn't want to go. Oops. Once you get it in there, you get it, but it just takes a minute. And then you reform your star. Get it all nice and precise. And there you have it. There's your three-pointed star. Mine's a little wonky this morning, but that's basically it. So have fun out there and make more stars and send them to me at tangledyogi.com, okay? All right, we'll talk soon. Bye for now.